Buddy Cobonics. Poppy's in the back room back there. And we making new brake lines, new master cylinders in. I don't remember if I showed you guys that or not. It's from Master Power Brakes. Good people, good brakes. But making all new brake lines all the way across and down. New front rotors are on with calipers. Shocks are in. New line is on. This is also not right hand, left hand thread. Got the axles in those rotors finally. We've had to get the, so for you 63 Plymouth people out there, these rotors on the back side in here, this piece right in the inside, it hits the 65 axle flange. So what you do is you take this to a lathe machinist or any machine shop machinist, and you could get the inside lathed enough and it fits right over it. Cow tracks are on it. I don't remember if I showed you guys that or not. More new brake lines going all the way across to the other side. And the middle brake line and the rear end is in. Me, on the other hand, I got 2 patch pieces made, and those patch pieces are for that hole and that other hole over there. This is from the AC, and my car doesn't have that, so we're not running AC in this. And we're gonna mount those pieces in the inside of the car showing out, and then we're gonna put right stuff in here, seal it. So I gotta do this one's done, the other one's done. I gotta do this one, I gotta do that one, or no, sorry, I gotta put a ground mount on that one, make a piece for this one, and make one for that. That's it. That's the progress. And we gotta go to the parts store.